According to the latest report released by the world-leading business consulting firm Grandview Research, the global furniture market size was valued at $480.7 billion in 2017 and is expected to maintain an annual growth rate of 5.1%. Among them, custom furniture will gain an average annual rate of 10 to 15%, far beyond store-bought standard furniture, as it offers coherent style, versatile functionality, as well as tailored tastes. In addition, manufacturing information technology is rapidly integrating custom-made furniture industry on a mass scale with good quality, reduced cost, high productivity and efficiency, and fast delivery. And thus, the threshold of custom home furniture consumption is increasingly lowered, which means global custom home decor industry is gaining an unprecedented momentum. Oppein is such a leader in global custom furniture and decor industry. It combines world-leading intelligent manufacturing, top Italy design, European supply chain, exports to 118 countries around the world, and successful channel experiences proved by 7,000 showrooms worldwide. Oppein is China's #1 kitchen brand. We manufacture and market high-quality kitchens, wardrobes, custom furniture, bathroom products, interior doors, and home furnishing products. Capable of offering whole house customization solution. In 2018, Oppein's sales turnover reaches $1.67 billion, consecutively ranking #1 for 17 years in China's custom home decor industry and marking one of the top 3 industry players in the world. With European automated woodworking machinery and advanced information technology, Oppein has established its core competency in mass customization. German HOMAG electric dividing saws cut panels precisely. HOMAG robot sorting cells give optimum material flow and greatly improves production efficiency. HOMAG laser edge banders guarantee seamless edge processing. Italian Selfa ecological finishing lines minimize environment impacts and provide the state-of-the-art quality. 95% of raw materials come from world-class suppliers. The intelligent warehouse management system regulates the difference between inflows and outflows, enabling us to efficiently cope with the annual output of 700,000 kitchens per year. Owning 5 plants covering over 2.3 million square meters, Oppein can produce 3,500 kitchens, 4,500 wardrobes and custom furniture, 1,800 bathrooms and 2,400 interior doors every day. Jointly developed by IBM, Siemens and WCC, Oppein Information 2025 system seamlessly connects the whole process from showrooms to factory. As part of the system, Showroom MTDS platform presents consumers with numerous design inspirations and help designers upload measurement data in real time. This platform greatly improves showroom teams' working efficiency. Oppein software CAXA and 3D Home can quickly build space models and assist designers to complete design and quotation and export 3D renderings. Wearing Oppein virtual reality glasses, consumers can enjoy immersive experience like no other. Meanwhile, the design software splits drawings and transmits data to the factory end automatically, realizing just-in-time production and delivery. Over the past 25 years, Oppein has established a complete showroom operation model and pragmatic sales and marketing tactics to help franchisees succeed. Oppein's showroom operation model consists of 10 key modules to operate a showroom successfully, which has been proved by over 7,000 showrooms. This model can be quickly copied and help showrooms make profits as quickly as possible. We conduct comprehensive and resultful training program for showroom managers, sales representatives, designers and installers. Generally, with only 1 month training, franchisees can get a skilled and productive team. Our professional team visits local showrooms regularly and offers field service and consultations such as showroom grand opening, showroom operation, training, software updates, market analysis and response tactics, promotion, trade show exhibitions. We also offer franchisees with a wide variety of sales tools to use in daily work. For example, design softwares, catalogs, websites, photo gallery and training videos. Oppein has flexible franchise policy. Investors can choose to distribute kitchen, wardrobe or both categories, depending on local market volume and applicants' capability. In areas with huge market potential, investors can distribute our full categories of products. We guarantee franchisees' ongoing interests and firmly conduct territorial and product category protection. To support franchisees to promote our brand, we provide up to 50% advertising allowance. Oppein provides franchisees with professional display solution and showroom identity design. New franchisees can obtain 25% discount for all display samples. We also offer up to 50% discount for renewed samples. Join Oppein. Start a most promising franchise opportunity.